How to turn on dark mode in Rednote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Rednote app, log in with your account details. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then after go to setting. In setting, go to general setting. At the top in display, you see the option of dark mode. So simply click on dark mode and toggle this feature on. If you are using a dark mode in your device, simply go to setting and as you can see there's the option of dark mode. If that feature is toggled on, you can simply turn on the feature of use device setting. In that case, the dark mode in your device will also be applied in the Rednote app. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.